Similar to most smartphones and smartphone apps, your Nurse Call Droid will need to be restarted routinely in order to keep functioning at its best. If you start to notice connection problems, or the apps get sluggish, or if someone can't log out of the app, try restarting the Droid. If that doesn't work, try clearing the cache. Don't worry, this is an easy process. First, go to the Settings on your smartphone. That's the gear-shaped app. Next, choose the Apps tab. Then scroll down and choose the dCare Connect app. Next, choose the Storage option near the middle of the screen. Finally, tap the Clear Cache button near the top right. The Clear Cache button will then turn gray, showing that the function is done. And that's it. Enjoy using your Nurse Call Droid.